Welcome to Inner Light. My name is Angela, and in this video we're going to explore something very practical that we can do on a daily basis that will help us build our trust in the unknown. I would invite you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so yet, and let us begin. And so I would like to share with you the importance of trusting the unknown and trusting our journey. And I'd like to begin by sharing from a book from Unity, The Quest, from Richard and Mary Alice Jaffola. God, the creator of all, does have a plan for every part of creation. We cannot know specifically what that plan might be. There is really no reason for us to know. What we can be sure of, however, is that there is divine order to things. By not attempting to predict outcomes, by not fretting about the means of our getting there, we smooth the way for God's plan to reveal itself easily and quickly. Our part is to keep centered on God as the source of all good, and then to trust. Simply trust. I think the most important here is that our part is to be centered on God. So the question is there anything that we can do on a daily basis to build on that trust? And the answer is yes. But before we find out what is it that we can do to build our trust in the unknown, it's important for us to realize what is keeping us from experiencing that trust. What is it about ourselves that when we are faced with a challenging situation, we react in fear and not with trust? And that is because we have been conditioned to believe that we are separate from our Creator. We intellectually know, yes, I'm one with God, but when things begin to happen, we don't act that way. It's because of decades of being programmed to believe that we are an autonomous person, that we have to protect ourselves, that we have to work really hard to attract the good that we need to survive. So we have this misperception that on the spiritual path, it needs to be healed, because that is at the source of our fear, and we need to heal that fear in order to build the trust. Now, talking about building trust, Scripture tells us that God speaks to us in the still, small voice. So in order for us to begin to be able to experience the nudgings of Spirit, it's very important that on a daily basis, we make ourselves receptive, even if we can take 5 minutes a couple of times a day to experience this deep and profound relaxation, inner stillness, and a profound sense of peace. I'm going to give an illustration here so we can understand the importance. Let's say that our mind is like the sky, and when our mind is filled with thoughts, it's like this very clouded sky. And if it's filled with negative thoughts, it's like this very, very dark and clouded sky. Through our practice of going into inner stillness and relaxation, we begin to create little holes on the clouds, which will eventually allow the light to shine through. So by realizing the importance of such a practice, we're going to find a few minutes here and a few minutes there to take us to the place in which we can begin to become receptive. Because the truth is, there is going to be a time on our spiritual journey in which we're going to be called to let go of control of our lives and to surrender that control to something greater than ourselves. But if I don't have the trust, I'm not going to let it go. And if I don't let it go, I'm not going to experience the fullness of what I was meant to experience. And I'm going to be guiding us into another short meditation, and I'm going to get each one of us into that state of deep relaxation inner stillness and peace. And I want you to really pay attention to the vibration of that feeling, because it is by bringing yourself on a daily basis to that space that you're going to be opening up the door to receive the guidance, the inspiration that you need for you to realize that that which was unknown and intangible all of a sudden begins to become tangible in our experience. We begin to experience the guidance that we need, the inspiration. We begin to witness synchronicity in our lives, and in that way, we build that sense of trust to take that final leap into a total surrender, in which something greater than ourselves takes over and fulfill our destiny here. And so let's begin. I encourage you to have a seat comfortable. And just close your eyes for a moment and take another deep breath. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And as you breathe out, I invite you to let go of the business of this day and begin to bring your attention to your physical body, starting with your face. Begin to relax all the muscles of your face. Relax the muscles of your neck. Relax the muscles of your shoulders as you allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into this wonderful relaxation and inner stillness. And continue focus on your body, your arms, your hands, relaxing every muscle, every cell, allowing your mind to become still and fully present right here and right now. Relax the muscles of your back, your hips, going deeper and deeper into a profound state of peace. It feels so soothing to take a vacation from our problems, from our life. Relax the muscles of your hips, the muscles of your legs, all the way down to your feet. And begin to notice how relaxed you are right now, and you feel so wonderful to be at peace. Notice that your mind is alert and fully present. Bring your attention to the life force within you and just realize that you are life, that you are light, that you are immortal. Your physical body one day will cease to be, and yet there's something about you that remains. What is it? It's pure consciousness, pure awareness. That's the part of you that was created in the image and likeness of God. Pay attention to how you're feeling right now. So relaxed, so peaceful. Your heart is open and receptive to the love, of our Creator. Silently repeat to yourself, this moment, I stand on holy ground. The fullness of the presence of God is right here where I am. This moment, I claim my divine heritage of joy, of bliss, of contentment. I feel so empowered knowing that I'm not alone. That which has created me know my needs before I ask, and it is its good pleasure to give me the kingdom. And with an open heart, filled with confidence, let us spend one moment of pure silence to receive the gifts of Spirit. And I invite you to little by little begin to bring your attention back to your body, allowing yourself to awaken from this wonderful experience of communion and relaxation, feeling confident, feeling peaceful. And whenever you're ready, you can open up your eyes. And always remember this: when you're faced with a challenging situation, you always have the choice and the power to say to yourself, I can choose peace instead of this. And in doing so, you open up the door for the universe to provide you with the guidance and protection that you need. Always remember, you are never alone, and the universe has your back. If you enjoy watching this video, just click the like button below and share it with your friends. I really appreciate you watching this, and from my heart to your heart, I see you in love and light. Thank you.